Let's go ahead and replace our master power window switch located right here on the inside of the driver's door panel. We're going to go ahead and use our plastic trim tool. We're going to go right underneath the edge here and gently pry this up and out. Going to work this out. And it's going to expose a little red clip on the back side. Now this is a little locking clip. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and use my plastic trim tool. Just pry that up. And then come on the bottom and there's a little tab you can pinch and pull. Wiggle that connector out. So go ahead and take your switch. Go ahead and line this up. Snap that into place. We're going to push our lock tab in. Simply going to line this up and push it back down into the armrest.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.